Disclaimer: this video contains valid EAS tones and should not be played on air, for it can cause mass panic and trigger an actual real emergency. I am not responsible if anything happens. This video contains sounds that some may find eerie. I suggest that you click off if you can't do with those sounds.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the Arlington Police Department, Mansfield Police Department, and the Grand Prairie Police Department. At approximately 9:46 a.m., a man robbed a liquor store with an AK-47 and stole all the vodka the liquor store had. As of right now, there are reports 3 injured and 1 dead. The following is a description of the man provided by the injured victims. The man is approximately 5'8" with a Soviet gas mask, specifically a GP5 with a olive green colored filter, camouflage clothes similar to those used by the Air Force, dark blue boots, and black gloves. This man is to be concerned armed and dangerous. If you have any information on the mysterious man, please contact the police department stated before. If you see this man, run and find a safe place to hide. Lethal force has been authorized if you own a firearm. All 3 police departments are working together to handle this situation in a professional manner. Good luck and stay safe. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Arlington Police Department, Mansfield Police Department, and the Grand Prairie Police Department. Last night there were multiple 911 calls about a man in a gas mask and camouflage clothes breaking into residents' homes. This is the same man from the liquor store robbery. Nothing was reported stolen from residents' homes except for vodka that the residents owned. There are 26 injured and 14 dead in total of all the home invasions. If you own any vodka, we advise that you dispose of it immediately. All stores and bars in Arlington, Mansfield, and Grand Prairie are ordered to gather all the vodka they have and turn it into a mobile team that has been deployed for this situation. Once all the vodka has been collected, it will be disposed of. A temporary law has been placed for all 3 counties. Anyone who was in possession of any vodka will be fined up to $6,000. This law will be in place until the dangerous man has been imprisoned. Good luck and stay safe. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Worth Police Department. As you may have heard from the news, there was a man in a gas mask and camouflage clothes similar to those used by the Air Force, breaking into homes stealing vodka. At 5:24 p.m., the man was spotted stealing a truck with confiscated vodka that passed him through the city, killing the driver with his AK-47. His whereabouts are still unknown, but it is advised the civilians should start getting rid of their vodka. The temporary law has also been applied for the entirety of Fort Worth. The Fort Worth Police Department is now working with the other counties' police departments to capture this dangerous man. Good luck and stay safe. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Arlington County, Mansfield County, Grand Prairie County, and Fort Worth County. An evacuation order has been set for all the citizens in the 4 counties. Citizens should evacuate to the neighboring counties, who are also helping us. Do not pick up any loved ones from hospitals or schools as for they have their own evacuation procedure. The threat has been given a nickname. The Vodka King. He is not a man he can withstand bullets. Mixed teams of police and military personnel have been created for our operation. Any off-duty/retired law enforcers or military personnel, you are obligated to come forward for this operation. We'll need all the help we can get. Any off-duty/retired law enforcers or military personnel who do not come forward will be punished depending by your status in the role. Citizens are also allowed to help, which is completely optional. If you're a citizen and you want to help, go to the nearest law enforcer or military personnel and they will help you get registered for the operation. Good luck and stay safe. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Governor of Texas, Greg Abbott. This message is for any civilians in the northeast area of Texas.
Evacuate immediately. I repeat, evacuate immediately. The northeast area of Texas now belongs to the Vodka King. The Vodka King has spread to the neighboring counties, and now owns those. Our forces have given their best, but have failed to exterminate the threat. Walls will be built around all of northeast Texas to keep the Vodka King in and keep trespassers out. If you are still in the northeast area of Texas, there's still a chance for you to evacuate. Any form of identification will be required to show that you are not a trespasser. We can only hope and pray that he doesn't get out and take over the rest of Texas. Do not listen to your governor. No one shall escape until my demand has been met. If you try to get out, you will be killed. If you attempt to contact anyone outside of the walls, you will be punished. My demand is simple. I want all the vodka to be delivered to me. Once the demand has been halfway met, I will start to release the prisoners, starting with children. If my demand has not been met, I will take over the rest of Texas. If your government tries to send any forces, I will start executing. You have 1 month to meet my demand. And to the government, I suggest you start doing the same if you want your people to come out alive. Gather all the vodka from the neighboring states and deliver them in the authorized landing zone, which is Waco. I will allow you to send one last message to your people before I cut off the transmission from the outside. End of message.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This message is for all the people trapped in Northeast Texas. Have hope in you. We will get you out of there. At the meantime, we suggest you listen to the Vodka King so that you can stay alive. Godspeed.
Let's go. Hold up.